Hey guys, your girl here at Coach Tanisha Marie, and I just wanted to show you guys this new system called Click Wealth System. And what this is to show you how to start making money from home. Okay, now this is a simple system. It's a $9 system that's going to show you how to start making money. Okay, it gives you the email swipes, it gives you the banners, it gives you the training on what you need to do to start using affiliate marketing so that you can start making money from the comfort of your home. Now everybody knows that there's affiliate marketing around. Everybody knows that affiliate marketing has been around forever. I still make money from affiliate marketing, and I got away from it a little bit because I got into the e-commerce and I got into coaching. But affiliate marketing is a way to promote other people's products and make money from other people's products. You don't have to set up websites. You don't have to worry about email copy. You don't have to worry about branding. You don't have to worry about any of that. Everything's already set up for you. It's a whole done for you system. The only thing that you have to do now is make sure that eyeballs are getting onto your link. We also show you your tracking. We show you how to track your stuff, see your commissions, whether you want to get paid every day, whether you want to get paid every week, whether you want to get paid every month. It's completely up to you, right? So we show you how to start using this system. Emails already made for you. Banners is already made for you. It's just now about you posting on social media. And if you're already on social media every single day, if you're already posting stuff on social media every single day, this is a way for you to literally make money from the comfort of your home. So click on the link below, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.